Really fast.
Hey, you. Look at all the berries we got. You can have an empty one, but you can't take it.
You're gonna help?
Come, let's go. Don't put it on the floor.
Let's go there. Let's go. Let's go now.
Go where?
It goes in here.
Where do you want to go?
Alright, let Mama know when you want to finish our ride. We have a ride to finish, you know. Did you hear me, Sophia? Do you want to do more ride on the tractor? No? You like this? Oh, she is cute. Where are you going?